I'm obsessing over you.
All right, it's early in the morning again. We got 3 alternators here. Oh wait, we don't put this one on there. Never mind. Right? No alternators on?
What's up, Anthony?
What's up, boss man?
What's up, gordito?
It's not gordo, it's flaco now.
I'm getting gordito too.
Yeah, all them carnita tacos.
No. You know what I think it is?
Chilling with me?
It's gonna sound weird, but what I think it is the diet soda. It doesn't have sugar, but I think your body
Absorbs it?
recognizes the thing like has a sugar. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I think it's what it is. Yeah.
It's tricking your body to being fat. What's up, man? Why is everybody touching my shit today?
Yeah, that's shit.
Hey, who's are those? Whose speakers are those?
Those are from the Orange Breeze.
Ready to get it started in the morning? What's up, Luis? What you got going so far? Luis popped his tire today. That's fucked up with. You know why he popped? Because somebody doesn't like you. Alguien no le gustaron.
Luis, antes de que me dé coraje.
That's cool, bro. What happened to your diamonds?
That's the bottom. You're not gonna see the bottom, homie.
Boop, boop, boop. So here's the box for the Ford. Little by little, it's getting better and better.
So you're gonna be looking at it like this, so you're only gonna see the top. So the diamond's gonna go on top.
Cool. So some of you asked me what's going on the buggy. For those of you who need to know, you got the full cow speakers in the doors. You got a full cow 4-channel. Oh no, a DS18 5-channel, a subwoofer by Alpine, and an Alpine head unit. Just simple, basic little setup. This is one of our friends who's restoring this whole thing. The morning just started. We're gonna get back to a recap. They got a tent over there. They got this car they're doing a radio. The buggy they need to finish the sound system. The shop razor getting its workup. The shop razor is actually getting the Alpine TV. Take this off. Alpine TV, some amplifiers. The shop razor bangs. But all right, people, we'll be back. See what else they do later. This is a truck we did last week. The battery came undone, so he lost all his presets. So now they're just gonna retune it. Look at that big ass box. Damn. Thank you. All right, we're gonna check out the box. Man, today's truck day.
It's around 1200.
Yeah.
Yeah?
The other guy is lying to you. Wait, he's not gonna give it to you. Sounds really good, bro.
The back speakers fuck it up.
No, I don't even hear the back speakers.
I hear them.
Sounds good, man. You're into the shit.
You need DSP on the back speakers.
That's what I'm saying. You good, Adam? Adam! Put your head. Luis, he says get out of the way. You driving this Mercedes, bro? We're gonna install a box. So you gotta remove the old box. We gotta cut the hole out where the factory subwoofer is, and make the port leak so the air can go through. And then his box is inside. Okay. All right. Some of you guys remember this car from earlier in the episodes. He's back to put a box in. All right. So it looks like they finished my buddy's Mercedes. They're out there testing it. Let's go see what they're doing in the back. Dodge Ram here. Man, they put a W6 in the center console. Look at this. Look at this beautiful box. Oof. This thing hits really good. It's super hard. We also did the sunroof. Yeah, boy. She looks really good. So now we're playing like we don't know. Now we're playing like we don't know people.
I hadn't even touched silicone today.
¿Qué quebraste?
What'd you break? What'd you break, Adam?
Nothing yet.
Nothing that double-sided tape won't fix.
Oh yeah. The guy wants brackets to hold the box down. Someone could do that for him. Adam, can you mount that box?
Woo, it's freaking hot in here. Okay, if I learned how to do the, text. So now your video have text. Are you happy? I learned that text shit, dog. But I don't know how to make it slide in. Like, whoosh. I just know how to put it there.
Oh, that's good then.
So it's not good.
What?
It's a work in
I
progress.
put the subs in, but I don't know how to make them click.
Look at these woofers. This fool's already fucked them up. Just kidding. Go see Louis. I thought your rims are here. You broke it or was that already broke? King the Barber back in the video. Upgrading his base. So it does feel way harder, man. With this
I heard it in there.
Yeah? We were playing, yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm saying I heard it in there, and I'm like,
You're like, finally.
I like it.
This one right here, this Ford F-150, just picked up some audio frog, and also he's taking out the Hyphonics amp. He's putting in a Gel Audio RD 1000. Much better. That's the nice thing about these Fords, man. You could just right there, you know, the speaker comes off and you're ready to go. Let's still see about the other one. Louis got some new rims over there. Wait, get up. Where? Louis has got some new wheels. Let's check out Louis's rims. Hey, you see Louis's rims?
Yeah, we put them away.
Oh, just did a window tint for one of our buddies. What's up, Patron? I was gonna say you get the tires too, but I don't know if you wanted to go to Redlands. Nah, they can deliver them tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, they can deliver.
You know who those wheels are for?
No.
Your employee, Louis, bought some rims.
Huh?
Louis bought the wheels.
Porque el tambo tiene manera de cómo.
Today, we are installing a ventilation system. Right? There's the catcher, there's the hose, filter, cover top, that massive thing over there. Let me take this off. This massive thing is the air blower. So that's gonna keep all the dust in its own section. That's gonna keep all the dust out from over here. Hey, wait, I don't see your rims, wait.
Huh?
I don't see your rims. I already told your puppy that you're getting the wheels.
Okay.
Oh, yeah? He said, oh, yeah? Really? Oh, yeah, motherfucker? Are you excited, wait? For tomorrow? Tomorrow you'll get them on. If I didn't buy the right tire. I hope I got the right tire. I don't know. He's like, look at me, be confident.
So you have to know where you grab the signals from, because if you grab them from the wrong area, you're gonna have a signal. Let's say your base plays from 20 hertz all the way to 80 hertz.
Don't we charge more for information?
No, I'm not gonna be installing shit.
So
Keep it back here.
from 20 to 80 hertz, that's your subwoofer signal.
Right.
But if you're not grabbing those signals, your bass is not playing those low notes. So if you grab the signal from the right source, you're gonna get lower notes and you're gonna make it louder and cleaner.
Damn, son. That's $300 for brackets. As long as the customer pays for it, I don't care.
I ain't just you a DJ. Hey,
What's up?
No. You touched on me, shit. I need more money.
You need to make it slide, bro.
Huh?
You need to make it slide.
No.
fucking up.
I'll get it. What's up, man? I heard that thing's coming out beautiful.
Alright.
Let me see. All right. All right, boy. Look at this. Wow. Look how. Bro, this looks good. What?
Let's take out my box. Put my box in here. And then put this one on the lightning.
Okay. Man, it looks nice, dude. I want to see the side pieces.
I do too.
Where are they at?
That's there.
So this truck we've been building for the last like probably 2 years. No, for the last 6 months. Bro, this is probably your best box yet. So far. Nah, you're doing better?
I like the Audi one.
No, man, this one is really. This is more harder than the Audi. That's what I'm saying. This is like one of the dime pieces. Shorty, she's a dime. She's top of the line. So this is.
I want to do it again.
This is Junior. The name's gonna be right there. Just kidding. Woo. Bro, I got a good logo for mine.
Oh, okay. I see how it is. You make logos for yourself.
No, for the video. You know how you said put something that pops? So I put the big ass M8 speaker on the thing, and I put the little eraser, and then it says new jail audio speakers. Get up and go work. Yeah, it won't be up till 7 o'clock. We post every day at 7 o'clock p.m.
Oh shit. Hey, you better post that's our video.
It says audio system. You broke it?
Hey, don't touch this. And, cause then somebody else is gonna wanna fucking post it, and JL is gonna fucking repost.
Yeah,
But not
that
our
was messed
shit.
up.
Under our name, they won't post it.
Oh yeah.
Unless we fucking call them. All fucking pissed off.
Hey, you about my shit? This episode is being in 4K. We're shooting all 4K. Same shit.
Just gonna pump out my pimples.
No, same shit. It's better quality.
Yeah.
Who has a 4K?
No, everybody has 5K.
So your shit's down.
5G.
Where'd you steal that from?
What? Look, we're gonna use this for your custom box.
Nice.
No.
Now it's like gonna go on a border.
Yeah. Huh?
Aquí está mi amigo Luis. Still working on that bracket, buddy? Are you gonna do the welding now? That way, perramísimo. See, that's why, man, you guys gotta get a Lewis in your fucking shop so he can get some good work done. What's up, Michael? How you like that box, dog? Shit.
Bro, why are you showing my thumb all dirty? Don't put this on the blog.
No, man, it's gonna be on the blog. Blog worthy.
I don't know who that is.
All right, let's go check out on the Beetle. Got Adam with the Beetle. You guys learned his name today. What's up, man? How's it looking?
It's looking like spaghetti.
Spaghetti? Because there's nothing in here, right? Look at that. Cables aren't even getting installed. The battery is installed. Let's go check out the Boss Man. Check out the Boss Man on the CNC. What's up, Boss Man? What's going on with the CNC? He got a new monitor. Look at this. Every time I come in this room, something new is in here.
Finishing my touch screen, 42-inch touch screen. Wow.
He converted his home TV that he uses in the garage to a touchscreen for the CNC. Oh, you put a glass too?
Yeah. Tell me, how many people has a 42-inch touch screen? Huh?
Damn. Okay. They're calling me. Let's go see what they want. That does look sick though. This guy needs Darth Vader. How many Darth Vader tattoos have you done?
I don't even know.
No?
I don't need that.
Para window tint?
Yeah, but he's gonna make your GTI the face of Vader. That'd be dope. It looks like it. Looks like the helmet.
What shape did we do?
We did 20 in the rear and 35 in the front. So we tinted this Jeep for my buddy who works at the tattoo place. Look at this thing, man. Looks good tinted. Came in like a fishbowl and now she's no longer a fishbowl. Whew, man. That's it. We're done. They're still working on the back, but we'll finish that in the morning. It's almost 7 o'clock. Video is gonna drop. Time for me to go home. Time to get the video next going for tomorrow's video. Comment, like, subscribe, follow. Say comment, like, subscribe. Okay, fine. Say bye.
Bye.